Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. Going to take a look at the dollar versus yen. Looking at this currency pair, there are a couple things that stick out to me from a tactical perspective. One, the price has been rallying to the upside, of course, and certainly during the month of June. And the price high that we saw on Friday came up to test this trend line connecting Wednesday's high to Thursday's high. Friday's high right here came up. The price came right up to that level near the 145.06 level, and then found willing sellers against that level, and then rotated back to the downside. Now, on the downside, the price did fall below this lower channel trend line, which you can see the little breaks below that level through here, both on Friday and again today. But the 100-hour moving average, that's the blue line in this chart, ended up holding support here and here and here. And even here, we found early bars against that blue line, that 100-hour moving average, and the market moved off of those levels on each of those occasions. Some very small, and this one's a little bit bigger as we headed up back toward the high. But we are seeing some early selling in the U.S. dollar here and the dollar yen, and we're seeing the price move back to the downside here. And looking toward that 100-hour moving average, it would take a move below the 100-hour moving average to increase the bearish bias. If we were able to stay below that level, then we'd look toward the low for the day, and then could probably look down toward this area right through here near the 143.86 level. And then below that, we'll have better support against the rising 200-hour moving average. The price has not traded below the 200-hour moving average since this day right here back in June 14th. Also near that level is the 38.2% retracement of the move up from this low right here to this high right here. It's the last leg to the upside for the dollar versus yen. Those levels come near the 143.59 level. On the top side, if the market is able to extend back to the upside, finds support against the 100-hour moving average, the high price from Friday at 145.06 would be the next target, and then we look toward the upper end of this channel trend line, which is up there, and continuing to move to the upside for this currency pair. Taking a quick look at the daily chart, the high prices that we saw last week came up to the low of this swing area near 144.98. The high price reached 145.06 before rotating back to the downside. That this swing area up through here, going back to the months of September and October and November of 2022, coming between 144.98 and 145.90, so nearly 100 pips on that range, but that would be the target to get to and through on the daily chart to increase the bullish bias here for the dollar versus yen. There you have it. A look technically at the dollar versus yen. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.